You want to call me Bernie? My name. Welcome back to my. Watch this one first, then you can go and watch that one. You definitely want to watch that one because there's something in there for you. No, it's the same. My bad. It smells good. I love it. I like to use it as like a hand cream at night. I love it. It smells really good. Now the Coco Cabana one, I've never tried. Let's see what it smells like. This smells like coconut rum. This smells like Gully Wash. Y'all know what I'm talking about, right? This smells like Gully Wash. I can put this on. Boxycharm. Sol de Janeiro. Watch this. Babes! They can't stack, please. This smells like Gully Wash. Gully Wash is it's a Bahamian drink. It's made with coconut water, sweet milk, and rum. No, I want you to smell something. That's what it smells. It smells like Gully Wash. I'm gonna see what Daddy says. It smells like Gully Wash. I don't know if I could use this. People are gonna think I drunk. I can't go out with this. Smell this.
Like coconut?
It smells like Gully Wash. It smells like Gully Wash too.
Yeah, coconut.
It smells like Gully Wash.
It smells like pina colada smell.
Yeah, people didn't think I drank. Okay, I'm on the fence with this one, okay? Because focus. Wait, what happened? Why am I out of focus? Okay, what's going on? We in focus. Oh no, something happened. Okay, we're back. Okay, but I'm gonna open this because it's already open. So let me open it and see what's going on. I wasn't planning on opening it. I'm planning on opening it. Okay, it looks like it's fine. So I think that's one of the things that I don't like with Fenty Beauty. Rihanna is very much out there in terms of wanting to try bright colors and all that stuff. I'm not.